Hello everyone, it is Erin Flitter here, and I am here with my October setup. And I kind of messed up a whole bunch of times this setup, so just bear with me while I, I deal with the issues that I kept having. So I think you can kind of see when I lift that up, I had already placed an orange sticker um number sticker for but I did it 2 pages earlier. I don't know why I started setting up on this page. I I can't with my brain right now. I'm just a little lost because it is the end of the year. I am burnt out. I have to prep everything for Black Friday and all that kind of stuff. So, anyways, this is my business traveler's notebook. If you haven't been around my channel before, so this is for October. I have my monthly setup that is on the left hand side. This is basically where I just put the videos that are planned, when things are happening for my shop and things like that. And then on the right hand side, I have my business finance tracker with my income and expenses. It is pretty much the same as I always do it. So if you are curious about that, you can always look back into my other videos as well. I will have a playlist linked below. So next up, I have my master tasks. That's going to be on the left hand side, and then I have my YouTube video idea list on the right hand side. Again, I don't know what was going on with me the day that I filmed this, but I just I don't know. Look at what I did there. Just kind of a mess. Anyways, so I have my master task list on the right, on the left, and so that is for my just general task list. So that has to do with the videos that need to go out, patron to-do lists, and all of that kind of stuff. There is a lot that goes on every single month for my business. On the right hand side is my YouTube video idea list. This is where I keep moving from month to month, different videos that I need to plan or film or anything like that. I'm using the new Monster Mash kit, which I do really love this kit. So I don't know why I'm just not thrilled with how this whole thing turned out, but I do really, really love the Monster Mash kit. So it has witches and zombies and Frankenstein and all that kind of stuff. And then I accidentally skipped a page, so I do have to go back to the other one. But I have a monthly goals section, so this is my normal setup where I have a progress bar for each of my 4 goals. Sometimes I usually have more, but this is just, each segment is worth 25%, and then once I've completed that goal, then hopefully I will have the whole thing filled in. And I also have a monthly review on the bottom. This is for my stats for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Pinterest, and my sales. Speaking of sales, on the, oh gosh, the last Friday of October, let me go ahead and look that up. The last Friday of October is going to be the Black Friday sale. So that is Friday the 28th is going to be the Black Friday sale. I know that's literally a month early, but one, we are still having post office issues even now. Two, I want to try to take time off in December, and usually that doesn't happen. And I want people to get their items ahead of setting up their 2023 planner, because that's what most of the items I release in October is for 2023. So I want to make sure people have time to set up. I will be releasing all of my 2023 stickers that are setup stickers as digitals as well. So if you don't want to wait the longer wait time during Black Friday, that is a very good option to get the digital downloads for all of those items. So typically it takes me a month to turn around everything that I need to turn around just because the sheer volume of orders for Black Friday. So again, if you want to get them early, you can see I accidentally skipped the page, so I decided to use this as the Black Friday setup anyways. So I have a checklist that is going to be on the left-hand page, and then just a list of all the sticker ideas, kits, all that kind of stuff on the right-hand side. So the Black Friday sale is October 28th, and my shop will close November 12th. So again, if you want the stickers early so that you can set up your 2023 planners, I don't blame you. And honestly, it will make things easier for me. So definitely look into if you want to do digital stickers, which is basically you print and cut your own stickers. A lot of the stickers are pretty simple. So even if you wanted to, you could cut them with scissors, not with like a Cricut or anything. So just an idea, and that is my setup. This is the journaling kit, so I'm just having some fun putting in all the little journaling and decorative items throughout. But basically, that is my setup. That is the information for Black Friday. I will have another video on that soon. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.